The reason why staging is done is because it elicits an emotion in the buyer, because all the homes that they look at online and in person are staged. So that's what they've become accustomed to. Would you invest $20,000 if you knew that it would get you $60,000 on the back end? It brings back much more than it costs to do it. Yes, we can get a house ready by preparing it, decluttering it, depersonalizing it, the way we used to do it 20 or 30 years ago, and it improves it. But professional staging brings it to a whole nother level. Some people don't get it because they think that's what all the houses look like today. Well, they look that way for a reason. Some surveys have shown that buyers are willing to pay 1% to 5% more for a home simply because it was staged as compared to how it would have been if not. 81% of buyers have reported that it made a difference in their purchase decision. This is staged, of course. You could live here. I mean, but where's all your stuff going to go? You got to put it in the garage or in a storage place, and it costs money and it's effort. And now it's not. But then when it's done, we've had some people say, "My God, this feels like I'm in a lavish hotel. I love it."